Two giants in the CRM world, one ultimate showdown, which platform truly powers your business. On one side, HubSpot CRM, known for its simplicity and growth-focused tools, and on the other, Bitrix24, packed with features and flexibility for teams of all sizes. We're comparing what actually matters, features, integrations, pricing, ease of use, and more. Forget the marketing hype, let's break down what really helps you work smarter. Each key area earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which CRM is the right fit. The winner might surprise you which CRM is the right fit. Win-wall might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, here's what we'll be comparing today. We've got price, core CRM features, integrations, collaboration and communication, ecosystem, security and compliance, and last but definitely not least, support and community. Strap in, this is going to be fun. First up, price. Now, seriously, who doesn't sweat a little thinking about CRM costs, right? HubSpot offers a forever free plan, but let's be real, once you want those advanced features, you better get comfy reaching for that credit card. Flexible paid options, yep, but those upgrades can be sneaky expensive. Bitrix24, on the other hand, kinda throws the kitchen sink into their free plan. No limits on users, and paid tiers won't break the bank. Although, quick pause, if you love add-ons, just watch out, they can pile up. But between the two, Bitrix24 totally takes this round if Bitrix24 totally takes this round if budget is your main squeeze. Alright, let's talk core CRM features, and honestly, this is where things start to get juicy. HubSpot feels, just smooth contact management is intuitive, pipeline views are actually enjoyable, and their reporting, really solid. Sure, some of those bells and whistles are locked behind paywalls, but the basics just work. Bitrix24, on the other hand, it has everything. Everything. Tasks, deals, calendars, automation, you name it. Sometimes you'll notice the interface gets a little crowded, maybe even overwhelming, and a couple things feel less polished. That said, for sheer usability and that, this just works feeling, HubSpot slides in as the winner here. Next up, integrations. Okay, so if you're planning to hook your CRM up to, well, pretty much anything, this bit matters. HubSpot comes swinging with a super huge integration marketplace. Email, chat, social if it exists, HubSpot probably plays nice with it. Sometimes you'll need to use Zapier or their API for those edge case tools, but still, very flexible. Bitrix24, it covers the basics. Don't get me wrong, popular business apps, internal collab tools, it's all here. But let's be honest, compared to HubSpot, its third-party options are just fewer. If integrations are your jam, HubSpot kind of runs the show. If integrations are your jam, HubSpot kind of runs anything. This bit matters. Oh, and here's something cool you may not know. Bitrix24 actually started as an intranet collab tool before morphing into a full-on CRM. So if it feels like their team features are extra robust, yeah, that's why. Collaboration and communication time. This is where Bitrix24 flexes hard. If you've got a big team or you're always pinging people, Bitrix24 is basically like having Slack, Trello, and Zoom shoved inside your CRM. Project management, sharing docs, built-in video calls, they're really going all out. Downside? There's a bit of a learning curve, so don't expect your whole team to be experts day one. HubSpot? Yeah, it's got team chat, shared inboxes, but when it comes to whole team collaboration, Bitrix24 kinda eats its lunch. Moving on, the ecosystem. Now, this is pretty interesting. HubSpot is like everywhere. Seriously, it's trusted by tiny startups all the way to huge enterprises, and their app ecosystem is chef's kiss. There's just so much you can do. You do sort of get locked into their stack, which, could be good or bad. Bitrix24, it's got an open platform and even an on-premise option if you're still clinging to your own servers. Fewer partners and a smaller global community though. So, if you want big, rich options and community vibes, HubSpot is clearly out front here. Security and compliance. Let's get real. Nobody wants nightmares about their contact data. Both are GDPR compliant, and both take security seriously. HubSpot offers enterprise-grade stuff, but you'll see full audit trails only on bigger plans. Bitrix24 lets you self-host if you're feeling fancy, and matches on compliance. Advanced stuff is mostly paid, so honestly, this is a bit of a tie. Neither stands far ahead. Alright, support and community. This always separates the real deals from the pretenders. HubSpot has a massive knowledge base, 24/7 live chat and phone support. Yeah, you'll need to pay a little, plus an active user community. You'll never really feel alone with HubSpot. Bitrix24 brings the basics, help center, video tutorials, but replies can be a bit slow. And the community? It's not the party HubSpot's throwing. If you want answers fast and a crowd to bounce ideas off, HubSpot wins this one. If you look at the score chart, you'll see Bitrix24 really takes off when it comes to price and collaboration. But HubSpot shines with features, integrations, ecosystem, and seriously delivers when you need help fast. So, here's my final take. If you're all about speed, maybe you're a sales team moving fast, or you want killer growth tools, HubSpot's your go-to. But if you're dreaming of an all-in-one workspace and crave loads of flexibility for your team, Bitrix24 makes a ton of sense. Between the two, today's winner is HubSpot CRM, just by a hair, mostly for its feature polish and community. But hey, don't count Bitrix24 out if collab is your main play. If you found this breakdown helpful, hey, go ahead and subscribe. I do these CRM face-offs all the time, so you definitely don't want to miss the next one.